Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. Today we are learning about how to buy your first rental property with almost no money. Okay, and let's start this video. Okay, how to buy a rental property with no money done in 2026. Okay, key takeaway: you can buy a rental property with no money down by using home equity, house hacking, and seller financing, or a co-borrower. Using little cash boosts potential returns, but also increase financial risk if cent our values drop. The best approach depend on your credit equity and comfort with creative financing. So comparing option is key. Check your investment property loan option start here March 20th 2026. Okay, you can yes, you can buy a rental property with no money down. House flippers, home buyers and investor can purchase real estate without putting up a significant amount of their one cash. Okay, traditional property purchases often require a large down payment, but knowing how to buy a rental property with no money down can simplify your investment strategy. By using minimal personal funds, real estate investors can achieve a better raw option like leveraging home equity is securing investment property loan with no down payment, or partnering with co-borrowers can open doors to the real estate market. Even the limited personal saving. Okay, great. Way to buy a rental property with no money down. Number one, banking into your first rental property. Okay, if you are ready on a home, are in a great option. One of the most common way to become a real estate investor is by running your pharmacy, running turning your primary residence into a rental property. The strategy is to rent out your current home and finance your next primary residence, securing a lower interest rate on both opportunities. And if you are still making a mortgage still making a mortgage as a potential rental and payment, a rental income can help cover a part of all the mortgage mortgage mortgage. Number two, tap into your home equity. If you own a home but prefer not to rent it out using your home equity. It can help you buy an investment property with no money down. Home equity is the difference between your home current market it value and the amount you earn by leveraging in this equity you may have enough money to cover a significant down payment or even by more the property outright. Several options are available for tapping into your home quality. Okay, equity. Check your home equity option. Start here 20th 26th 6th March. Okay, a home equity loan. Okay, home equity loan. A home equity loan provides a lump sum of money upfront which you pay back with fixed money payment similar to your original mortgages. This option is ideal for a predicatable amount budgetable amount for your investment property down payment home equity line of credit at hel HELOC. A HELOC turns your home equity into a flexible credit line. Much like a credit card, always it always you to withdraw as a Pakistan with sorry withdrawal found was needed during the drop period, typically spinning in 5 to 10 years. HELOC are ideal managing various costs associated with buying investment property such as the down payment. Okay. uh, and next is cash out and reference. A cash out of a reference replace your exciting mortgages with a new loan of more than and you are of giving you the difference in cash available for FHA, VA, and conversational loan cash out refinancing allow however to borrow a large amount of home equity often up to 80% of a home market value. Okay, thanks for watching my video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, and number 3 is try house hacking with the multifamily or multifamily property. Number 4 is bring in a co-brower. Number 4 is try rent to own. Number 6 is uh, number 6 is assume the seller mortgage. Number 7 find seller financing. Number 8 use a hard money any loan. Okay, this is a all type or always. Okay. Hey, thanks for watching my video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press on the bell icon for every new video on my channel. Okay, let's see you next time. Goodbye.